Me no in no more talking with none of you here. See you next time. And me a come for you.
Need for go link rank.
Bossy, me no more chatting with them brother there, you know. You see, if we not go for them, we are going to send somebody for them, you know.
Right about now, we just gonna make ranking know say you see anything at all him want do, him free for do it. Trevor, let me explain to her.
No man, me deal with this. So calm. Come here.
Trevor, start with the explanation. Don't call me name. Just start with the explanation.
Yesterday me that drive and me stop around a nice restaurant and
Stop! 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 Start over. You, nicey, and restaurant, nothing in the same sentence. So me I beg you, start over and make sure you come good.
just give me a chance to explain now. Please. Me I beg you.
Camille, this has something to do with me. It's not Trevor's fault. Let me explain.
I know I hear nothing from you. Anything what me need for know, Trevor it for come from. So start talk.
If you allow us to explain, you'll understand, Camille.
The last thing me remember is that you left here for go hospital, go start out something with your son. May I call down your phone, Trevor, and me not get you. And next day after, you come show up with bandage. And your ex-woman? Make it make sense, please.
I did go to the hospital for hear what the doctor have to say. Only to find out say the youth are not my own.
What?
Yeah. So
So, you go over the restaurant for she comfort you?
Camille, listen.
It still not explain this. And it definitely not
Ah!
explain that.
know that this don't look good enough. But here one. Just make me talk and then you decide if it makes sense to you.
Me listen.
Here one. Nice called me yesterday. I never like how she sung. So I just go down at the restaurant, go check her. And when I go down there, the puzzle just come together.
What puzzle?
Camille, for the past month I've been under a lot of stress. Someone is trying to take over my business, and they have partially succeeded.
And what? Trevor work at company's office, so him come to your rescue?
It's not like that. You remember the guy that came here with me when I came to apologize? He's the culprit.
That still not explain Trevor coming here with a wound and him shirt over your shoulder.
Hear what this explain. You see that same youth there? I'm the youth father.
Where deep? Well, Andy, man, I understand the link. How it connect?
I think he targeted me just to get to Trevor.
Well, him blame me for mash up him life, you know. So, the easiest way to get back at me, you know. Because I take away my woman.
So, Trevor, you and him did that with her at the same time?
The only way I can work this out, you know, is that my dad did that. He leave go foreign and, you know, she get pregnant before him leave. And that's how me and her get involved.